Right now at 5:30, health officials are warning the COVID-19 pandemic is not over. Tonight, a warning from the Surgeon General.
The virus wins when we let our guard down, when we take our eye off the ball. We've seen many times that it's fooled us in the past. So we've got to stay vigilant. We've got to get vaccinated.
The Surgeon General making another plea today for Americans to get vaccinated as the more contagious and deadly Delta variant becomes the dominant strain.
Another question prompted today is, what about those too young to get the vaccine? Should families consider masking up? News4JAX consumer investigator Lauren Verno is joining us now with more. Lauren?
So, Tarek, this has become a major question, especially as children and teens head off to summer camp. So in Illinois, at least 85 teens and some adults of a summer youth camp held a couple weeks ago tested positive for the virus. That camp was not checking vaccination status and did not require masks indoors. Kim Kuda-Dring says it's almost business as usual at the Cummer Museum of Art and Gardens as it hosts its summer camps.
We scaled our camps back to have smaller class sizes, so up to 10 students in a studio, which makes for excellent social distancing.
And masks stayed on.
We kind of have to meet everyone where they are, and we certainly don't want to rush into it.
The CDC recommends, although people who are fully vaccinated do not need to wear masks, camp programs should be supportive of campers or staff who choose to wear a mask. But this statement only includes camps with students 12 and up who are eligible for a COVID vaccine right now.
With kids not being able to be vaccinated and you have the Delta variant, what do you recommend at this point for if they are going to summer camps?
I think we still need to be mindful that because kids can't be vaccinated, most of them under a certain age, they should still likely wear masks.
UF Health Director of Infection and Prevention, Chad Nielsen, says parents should highly consider getting their kids vaccinated when they can. And if not, at least wearing a mask. The CDC says while fewer children have been sick with COVID-19 compared to adults, children can be infected with the virus that causes COVID-19, can get sick from COVID-19, can spread the virus to others, and can have severe outcomes if they get sick. Now, there was some confusion when the World Health Organization came out earlier this week and said even vaccinated people should continue to wear masks. While the CDC says CDC says vaccinated people do not need to wear masks. The common denominator between both the organizations is if you are not vaccinated, which anyone under 12 is not, then you should be wearing a mask. Tarek, Stacey?
Yeah, so Lauren, if our kids aren't vaccinated, should parents be wearing masks if the kids aren't vaccinated?
So I'm sure that's a conversation even in your household right now because you're wondering, okay, do I have my kid masked? What do I do? Because I'm vaccinated. So that's something I actually asked Nielsen today, and the Surgeon General addressed it. The simple answer is it doesn't hurt. Not only does it prevent the spread of the virus, but Nielsen says it's a good role model for children that wearing a mask is still okay. Tarek?
Lauren Verno, thank you.